There's technology that gets in the way, and there's technology that makes things easier and brings value to your everyday life. And for me, one of those valuable pieces of tech are the AirPods, or just wireless headphones in general. Hi, my name is Jorge. Welcome. In this channel, we merge creativity and productivity to try to live a more fulfilling life. I've been using the AirPods for about 2 years now, and it quickly became an important tool that reduces friction and brings value to my street photography process and my everyday life. Let's talk about how. In a previous video, we talked about the concept of the initial purchase versus the upgrade. For example, going from no Kindle to actually owning one feels a lot more significant in your life than just upgrading to a slightly better model. If you're interested in street photography, then buying your first camera feels a lot more significant than just upgrading to a slightly better or newer model with lots of diminishing returns. The initial purchase holds a lot more weight and meaning in your life. And in my case, jumping from wired earbuds to the AirPods felt so significant that it felt like an initial purchase and not an upgrade. Regardless of the brand that you chose for your smartphone, and assuming you have a smartphone, then you probably have one of these. Flimsy and inexpensive earbuds. It's very easy for the wires to get tangled and it's messy. Most recent smartphones don't have a headphone jack, so you need an adapter. And sometimes buying a more expensive wire earbud may upgrade the audio quality, but generally does not upgrade the experience or the usability. There's nothing more frustrating than being in a hurry and having to spend 3 to 5 minutes untangling all the wires. And if you add bad weather to the equation, like heavy rain or snow like here in Canada, then it's just a hassle and I end up just not using them. In our minds, the action of using earbuds is pretty simple. You put it on, and you press play. But it can be surrounded by so much friction that sometimes it's just not even worth doing. And in my experience, that's just not the case with the AirPods, or wireless headphones in general. There's no wires, they're really easy to use, and depending on the manufacturer, they can be software optimized as well. Like auto pair when you open the case, or auto pause when you remove them from your ears, and Siri integration and tap controls. However, nothing is perfect and these have their own shortcomings and friction to go with it. For example, short battery life, average audio quality, and delay when switching devices, just to name a few, but the benefits outweigh the drawbacks by a lot. It wasn't until around 2015 when I discovered my favorite podcast, and these really changed my life. I was able to transform the wasted time of commuting, going to work and going to school, which can be hours of your month, into a valuable and pleasant experience. Obviously listening to music, but listening to my favorite podcasts, which in turn these referred me to books, which in turn also referred me to audible.com, making it a lot more easy and a lot more comfortable to listen to audiobooks. I knew that I would be moving to Japan eventually, so being able to take dozens or even hundreds of books in a small device like this was huge. Reading a book at home and putting it down and continuing the book in audio form while out and about exploring Tokyo, for example, has truly been a life-changing experience for me. These two are a match made in heaven. A portable lightweight street photography camera, the X100V, and the AirPods. These give you the freedom and the flexibility of walking around with minimal friction, no heavy camera bag with tons of lenses, and no tangled wires when you remove the AirPods from your pocket. Success! And when you're exploring a new part of your hometown, or going to a new city, or moving to a new country, you can feel the difference. It's night and day. How you want to put them to use is up to you. maybe going to the gym or going for a run or going on a street photography session while out and about exploring, listening to your favorite podcast, listening to your Spotify music playlist, or listening to an audiobook on audible.com. Any of these can enhance the activity that you're doing, and realistically, you're being productive. You're doing multiple things at once, and if you're one of those people that spend a lot of time commuting, then you're actually turning wasted time into a productive activity. So not bad. So for me, this was my everyday carry, and I loved it. I had the X100F at the time, but you know what I mean. I personally use the regular AirPods. The features of the AirPods Pro are not that appealing to me, and therefore I cannot justify the price. Noise cancelling is one of those things that is amazing for some people and it's just unnecessary for others. For example, if you're studying at a library or you're at a place where you need some peace and quiet, or you're taking a long flight, the noise cancelling makes sense and even enhances the experience. It helps. But in my experience, walking around a new city or a new country that you don't know with noise cancelling headphones puts a barrier between you and your surroundings. Have you ever been on a train or a bus with noise cancelling headphones and they announce a change on the route and you're just sitting there unaware and you're looking out the window and you're wondering why the bus is turning right in this street where it's supposed to turn left, or you're riding a train and the train is not stopping at the station that you need to get off and you're just sitting there wondering what the hell is going on? No? You never experienced that? I have. It sucks. And I know you can enable and disable noise cancelling. The AirPods Pro have a transparency mode that enables you to hear what's going on around you. But paying a premium price for a feature that I rarely use is really hard to justify. But if you just want the option, then the AirPods Pro are the best way to go. You have the option there in case you want to turn it on, in case you want to use it, but you're paying for it. Sound quality is average. Battery life is okay. Fit and comfort really just depends on the person. It's not for everybody. For me, it happens to fit well and stay inside my ear, so that's something. So the fact that they fit well, combined with the convenience, combined with the ease of use, and combined with the software features, makes these the best pair of wireless earbuds for me. So yeah, for me, these are definitely worth it, and I recommend it to everybody that still uses wired earbuds. And you can get them for cheap now. You can get them used, you can get them discounted, and if you're a student, you can get them for free from Apple, which is nice. But this is just my personal preference and opinion. So what do you think? Do you have wireless earbuds? What features you cannot live without? Make sure you leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to hear what you guys think about it. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful or valuable, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, for giving me your time and your energy, and good luck with your creative process.